All right, guys, so we saw what happened with GameStop today. If you guys are not familiar, GameStop ran over 100% today, which was pretty phenomenal. But we talked about it in the pre-market. We were talking about this gamma ramp that's been happening over the last 2 weeks. Now it's 40,000 shares or 40,000 contracts that were in the money the previous 2 weeks. Last week, again, 40,000, again, 44,000. And so this week, because of the run-up, let me show you. Because of the run-up, now you have 200,000 call contracts in the money. And that's at this strike price right now. So the stock is already at $40. I can go into the options chain and I can look at it right here. You're going to find out at $40, you're going to get 17,000 more. So that puts you at around 253,000, 250,000 call contracts going to the money. It's 25 million shares that they're going to have to find. They get exercised, right? But here's the biggest problem that you're going to have for this stock and for everyone out there. This gamma ramp is running into each other. It just keeps ramping, right? And we know this is why DFV starts tweeting. And I was telling you guys, hey, get ready for everything. Get ready for FOMO. Get ready for the actual, what they call a gamma squeeze, because of the options that are going to be exercised. And then the short squeeze can come upon that, because short sellers are already down $1 billion as reported, but shorts pockets are deep, and I'm sure not everyone's over leveraged against GameStop just yet. But it will be even worse. If you guys saw 40,000 first week, 40,000 the second week, now we're at the third week and we're at 250,000. These are the amount of contracts that are in the money. They have to deliver shares for those said contracts. And what if they're writing them naked, which we know a lot of market makers write them naked, just to create volatility across the board? You have a huge problem. You have a huge problem because coming up in the next couple weeks, I'm going to show you right now. Let me pull it up. Here's the options for the next couple weeks on GameStop. And as you see it happen, I'm almost there. Okay, right here. Let me show you. So right here, you're going to be at 250,000. And you're already at 44,000 again the next week. So that's 2 more weeks of something that they can't catch. And then right here. So you're going to run away over the next month on this stock. GameStop has earnings. GameStop has an annual shareholder meeting. And of course, DFV's tweeting, right? So if everyone's actually jumping into this thing, like you saw the volume at 183 million shares traded back and forth today, then you would know in the after hours right now, it's trading at $40 a share. So be prepared for what's coming. If you know just how great this can be, remember that GameStop has the opportunity to get into the S&P 500 if the market cap gets high enough and they can sustain the profits that they've been doing. So there's other things that I want to see. If they go into S&P 500, well, guess what? ETFs have to buy in, mutual funds have to go in, index funds, all these things that only trade off the S&P, they'll have to buy more shares as well. So diamond hand your stuff. I mean, that's what I'm doing. Whatever you guys choose to do, take profit, whatever. I don't think you're going to get lost into the mix. There's 180 million shares traded today. Whether you would have sold yours or not, I don't think it would have mattered to the price action. I think everyone knows exactly what's happening with GameStop. So, yeah, it's lined up for amazing things right now, and I'm happy to see it. And I'm proud of everyone that's been holding for so long. If you've made it this far, well, congratulations. You just might be beating the last boss at this point. But we'll see what happens here. But 250,000 call contracts going to be in the money if we end the week at $40. That is the recipe for disaster for them. And if you're the shareholder, well, rockets, right? To the moon. MOAS, as they call it. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you around, millionaires. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you the next day. The next day. I've been talking about this stock for 3 years. Get at me. Peace.